Thinking about who this money kicks? Want to meet Dubai's richest teenager? Introducing Richest Belhassa, a rich boy from Dubai who uses social media to brag about his fortune and is the most recent YouTube star to go into boxing. Well, welcome back to Money Future. Today, we will be talking about the rich Dubai teen and a pinch of his life, so don't go anywhere just yet as we are just about to start. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our amazing videos, and let's begin. Over the course of the past 2 years, influencer boxing has become increasingly popular. Pay-per-view purchases have brought in millions of dollars for some popular YouTube stars, including Jake Paul, his brother Logan, and KSI. These YouTubers have earned as much as the top-paid athletes in their respective sports. Richest Belhassa, better known by his ring name Money Kicks, an Emirati rich kid who turned 20 on January 5, could be the next boxer to make headlines thanks to his exploits in the ring. Floyd Mayweather, a boxing legend who is 44 years old and is also a crazy supercar collector, disclosed his interest in fighting Money Kicks in an exhibition bout in October during a press conference that took place earlier in the month of January. Mayweather called his quits in 2016 with a perfect record of 50 wins and 0 losses, cementing his place as one of the best fighters of his career. Since then, he has continued to compete in exhibition matches, the most recent of which was a fight against Logan Paul that took place a year ago and earned him $10 million just for showing up. In addition, he reportedly received 50% of the pay-per-view sales, which were worth an additional $25 million. The richest child in Dubai and his automobile collection, which includes a Ferrari F12 Berlinetta and a Rolls-Royce Ghost with a Dior wrap. The act of purchasing brand new vehicles and then covering them in stickers from well-known brands is one of Richest Belhassa's favorite hobbies. Earlier, he has wrapped his cars in Supreme, LV, Yeezy, and more. This time around, though, he brought his Rolls-Royce Ghost to the mechanic and had a bright new Dior wrap installed on it. The richest kid in Dubai is quoted as saying that he considered purchasing this wrap after being motivated to do so by Pop Smoke's hit rap song Dior. Mayweather received a response from Money Kicks on his Instagram in which Money Kicks confirmed that he was willing to accept the offer. He has only been boxing for the past 2 rounds, but he already has a perfect record of 2-0. His first bout was just 6 months ago. Money Kicks' ascent to superstar status has been nothing short of remarkable, despite the fact that his chances of winning do not appear to be particularly good. This is how he has established his credentials as an internet celebrity. 1. Rihanna, Ronaldo, Messi, and Nicki Minaj are just a few of the celebrities who are rumored to have paid a visit to his villa in Dubai. Money Kicks has had an extravagant upbringing due to the fact that he is the son of the billionaire Saif Ahmed Belhassa, who is one of the most successful business people in the UAE. He presently resides in a palatial estate that has evolved into a popular tourist destination and is frequently visited by a great number of A-list celebrities. The grounds of the estate are said to have a private zoo that is home to around 500 different kinds of exotic animals, in addition to a regulation-sized football field. Money Kicks has been seen in photographs posing beside his pride of white lions and interacting with a Bengal tiger kitten in a game of tag. In addition to chimps, giraffes, and cheetahs, the zoo is home to cheetahs. Since he was a little boy, Money Kicks has been inviting famous people into his home, including Lionel Messi, Cardi B, Nicki Minaj, and Anthony Joshua, amongst many others. His home is far from being considered simple. Even Floyd Mayweather paid the young billionaire a visit in the past, which is likely where the idea for this scheme was conceived. Some of Money Kicks' animals have been given the names of celebrities from the extensive list of A-listers who have paid them a visit. The likes of Paris Hilton, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, Mariah Carey, and Jackie Chan have all been honored with his distinction in the past. 2. It all started with a trainer collection worth many millions of dollars. Money Kicks lives true to his name by possessing a trainer collection that, on its own, is likely capable of funding an additional home. Back in 2016, he started posting videos on YouTube in which he showed off his trainers to famous people who had visited his home. Since then, he has gained a lot of notoriety online. The rappers Wiz Khalifa and Travis Scott, as well as the football player Mesut Ozil, have all appeared as guests on his video series Sneaker Talk. The inventory at Money Kicks includes highly coveted pairs of footwear from a variety of brands, including Air Jordans, Yeezys, and more. The Manchester United superstar Paul Pogba presented the YouTuber with a pair of game-used football cleats as a gift. The cleats have been worn in many games. According to Cosmopolitan Middle East, he has amassed more than 500 pairs of shoes during his years of collecting footwear. His collection spans 4 continents. 3. He is already equipped with ring-ready bling. Money Kicks has expensive taste, and he isn't afraid to show it. If he's posted on social media, there's a good chance he's wearing something designer. Money Kicks doesn't hide his wealth. The YouTuber is known for wearing Gucci tracksuits, Louis Vuitton shirts, and Supreme bags on a regular basis. He's often seen accessorizing his ensembles with a one-of-a-kind piece of jewelry that bears the area code for the United Arab Emirates, which is 971, spelled out in diamonds. In preparation for his second battle against the Dubai-based fighter and influencer Ajmal Khan, he has the bling-tastic garment crafted especially for him. 4. He plasters expensive brand insignia all over his high-end sports automobiles. Before Money Kicks was even old enough to get a driver's license, he began amassing his collection of automobiles. He already had a Ferrari F12 Berlinetta, a Rolls-Royce Wraith, and a Lamborghini Aventador when he was just 16 years old. Money Kicks enjoys covering his supercars in garish prints, as if the vehicles themselves didn't attract enough attention on their own. His brilliant red Berlinetta is emblazoned all over with the Louis Vuitton monogram, and his Supreme emblem is plastered on the hood and both doors of the vehicle. His Lamborghini is based on a backpack designed by designer brand Sprayground, and one of his Rolls-Royces is completely covered in a logo for the fashion house Dior. Today, Money Kicks possesses a number of Rolls-Royce automobiles of varying models in addition to a Mercedes-Benz S-Class. We cannot help but wonder what the companies being advertised think of the free publicity. 5. It's true that he has never lost a boxing match, but how good are his prospects of doing so? In the month of July 2021, Money Kicks made his debut in the ring of a professional boxing match for the very first time. He defeated his fellow Emirati YouTuber Anas El-Shayab and was awarded victory by a vote of universal approval. After only 3 months, Money Kicks returned for his fight against Amal Khan, which he won by knockout. The fight took place in April. To put it bluntly, a battle against Floyd Mayweather will unquestionably be his biggest task to date. Furthermore, everyone, no matter where they are, will undoubtedly anticipate that he will lose this fight. Earlier in the month of January, Money Kicks released a video in which he praised Floyd Mayweather Jr. as being among the best fighters of all time. According to TalkSport, Mayweather's most recent opponent Logan Paul shared in a FaceTime session with Money Kicks his concern that the boxer would be looking for a quick knockout in order to cash in on his earnings. Reportedly, Paul said that he had not been paid for his fight against Mayweather and that Money Kicks could not anticipate any better treatment in this regard. Paul fought Mayweather. On the other hand, if all goes according to plan, the fight between the Emirati wealthy boy and Floyd Money Mayweather will take place on February 20. But there is still hope for the underdog because the bout is scheduled to take place in October. The helipad at the Burj Al Arab Jumeirah will, in true rich kid fashion, either be the site of an unlikely victory or a crushing defeat for Belhassa. But if there is one thing we can be certain of, it is that at the end of the night, both fighters will have a sizable amount of money in their pockets. And that's it for today's video. We sincerely hope you enjoyed the video. If so, give it a like and share it with your friends and family. Let us know if you have any questions or comments in the section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more of our incredible videos. You can also watch our other videos that have been specially selected for you. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.